At Sound Business Services, we provide specialized accounting services for car wash owners and operators. Working with several prolific operators in the car wash industry has given us the understanding needed to provide you with accounting services that are custom tailored for your business. We understand the challenges that car wash management teams face in keeping up with their books and getting consistent, accurate reports that focus on key car wash metrics. We can provide you with the vital financial information you need to cut costs and increase your bottom line. We have custom-tailored plans that address the unique needs of your car wash business, all while staying within your budget. Sign up for a free demo today and choose the package that is the best fit for you and your business.